HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us calculate a median for an odd number of scores. Let's find the median score of 11 exam scores. The exam scores are in black, and the position of the score is above the score in green. Let's start with the general formula. The median is the score in position, n plus 1 divided by 2. Since n is 11, let's substitute n for the number of scores. 11 plus 1 divided by 2 is 6. The median is exam score 6, which is 81. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.